And what's news around the world today?
Some wisdom skills along the way.
Oh, and a song to hum along with and sway.
Get your perfect entertaining start to the day.
At 9 a.m. every weekday morning with
Mahima's
Good Morning Bay.
Good morning, Bay. आप सभी लोग हमारी तरफ से एक प्यार भरा नमस्ते,
Namaskar.
वनकम,
Namaskara.
खुश आमदीद,
Assalamualaikum.
सत श्री अकाल,
మీకు అందరికీ వందనము.
जय स्वामीनारायण,
जय श्री कृष्ण.
जय जनेंद्र।
हमारे स्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोलते या अली मदद.
मोराली मदद बोलते हुए सारे फीजी मंडल को बोलेंगे नीसा बुला बलजान। हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारा। मैं फालतू बाबा
And of course myself फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और drive time that's going to make it totally exciting and totally मस्तानी बन
तो
जाए.
आप बन जाओ। लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग। अभी आप अगर आप खिड़की के बाहर देखेंगे ना, झांकेंगे ना, तो आपको एक चीज पता लगेगा फालतू रानी।
क्या पता लगेगा?
पता लगेगा कि एक्चुअली मौसम awesome है।
Well,
मतलब it seems cloudy and nice. It's like, oh, winter already is coming. Like, 61 degrees outside.
no,
But guess
Altu Baba,
what?
are you kidding?
Guess what, फालतू रानी?
What, Altu Baba?
It does seem that way. तो बाहर निकली नहीं किया अभी तक?
It seems like 61 degrees, but it's going to
Not
be
because
in
you sat in your air-conditioned limousine getting here to work, फालतू रानी.
the limousine.
Not everybody is like, lucky as you to be driven down, chauffeured down here in your limousine, right?
Acha, chauffeur down here.
Oh, I'm sorry, your Bentley is not a limousine, right? It's actually a luxury car.
What Bentley?
Limousine is
now?
like a
Range Rover.
taxi. Oh, Range Rover.
Yeah, actually.
Okay.
Oh, I have this new fascination. I'm thinking about it. Oh, never mind.
Yeah. Go on, please.
I was
Pray
thinking
tell,
about
what is your
Jaguar.
new fascination?
Yeah.
Jaguar?
Yeah.
Jaguar actually is not at all a good car.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
That was actually a lemon they bought.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because Range Rover was going to come, they said, okay, fine, you want to take Range Rover, take Jaguar also. Otherwise, we're not going to get Range Rover. Is what they
Oh,
said.
like that. Okay.
So they had to pick it up. It's like, sometimes you actually pick up something which actually just because of something else. Like, package deal faltoni. Like when you buy Alto Baba, you will get faltoni free, like that kind of stuff,
Excuse me.
What?
What was that?
What was what?
What? You buy Alto Baba, you get Falturani free.
Oh my
what
god,
the heck does
are you
that
trying
mean?
to say that faltoni is for sale?
What nonsense?
Is a faltoni for sale?
Whatever.
What? Tell me, honestly.
So I'm like some free thing that they throw on
No,
top.
man, it's called a value add. So, value add purchase.
Hey, go back. Waste fellow.
Well, but that was actually a very nice reference I gave you about how to understand the sale of Jaguar along with, Range Rover for our Tata group of companies. Well, the point is Indian-owned brand in the US, Faltoni. They're doing a pretty good job, actually.
Huh.
Anyway, coming back to the point, that's not the news at all, right? Today's news is the fact that it's going to be hot afterwards, Banuja. And guess what? Weekend is going to be really hot.
Uh-huh.
California is going to burn. See, California got jolted first.
Huh.
First, it got a virus.
Huh.
Okay, it's like it got injection from nature saying that we're going to jolt you with stuff.
Right.
And then it burnt, like fever. And now it's going to be hot, literally hot.
Huh.
So I think it's kind of boiling away the virus in the air, I suppose, probably.
Huh.
That's what our super leader will tell you anyways.
Okay.
What? Okay.
Fine. You're Supreme Leader. Whatever. I don't like to call him Supreme Leader and,
Hey, Faldani, you don't know how smart he is.
What?
He got the endorsement from the Brew already.
From the who's the brew?
Blue.
Who's the blue?
The union, police union already endorsed him, by the way.
That doesn't matter at all.
Excuse me, that does matter. There are people who are going to support him when he actually makes the coup against all the people of America.
Oh my God. Altu
Yeah.
Baba,
Hey, he
stop.
requires his own militia. Anyway,
तो क्या दिमाग में लोगों के दिमाग में ideas भर रहा है Altu?
What? I'm just saying that he is prepared. He can take on what do you call that? The government. He can take on democracy. It's a baya-hatak khel for our supreme leader. Come on, guys. Yeah. But anyway, go vote. I'm not going to influence your vote. Whichever direction you vote, November, don't forget to vote for sure. All right? But right now, quickly, what's happening in the roads? Raste ka haal ekdam total sustenance.
It's time for the Bandu Traffic Update. Call us from wherever you are at 408-912-2479.
Yeah, but Friday is the long weekend, and of course, people already are getting on the roads because that particular thing, Faltoni, people are trying to get away to different places to stay away from as far as possible from all this, the political news and the coronavirus news and all, right? What's happening is the freeways to all those places, destinations we will go to, is getting blocked up right now.
Oh,
Yeah, on 80, like West 80, right? San Francisco, the on-ramp is blocked over there because of an accident.
Okay.
And with a nice backup all the way there. Now speak
Wow.
about this side towards Dublin side. Again, there's a backup over there because of an accident on 580 eastbound.
Okay.
And near Redwood, near Castro Valley area, that side. And similarly, if you go further, Sacramento, if you are going towards 880, let's say go 880 all the way to San Leandro, there's one more delay there on 280 because of an accident.
Oh, really?
Yeah, everybody's trying to get away from all these, things. Just, I would rather say stay in here. Yeah? It's called a staycation, right? Have fun with your family. Yeah, play Lego, Monopoly.
We have been staycating for a very long time.
Not everybody.
Huh?
Not everybody.
Whatever, man.
People are taking this opportunity and they're actually working from home, Fatmani.
Yeah, but that amounts to staycation, right? Like I
How?
know friends who go on
Hello?
vacation and they'll take their laptops with them. They will log into the office.
It's
It's
so
almost
bad,
like,
right?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I do it every time. Anyway, Bajan, it's residual delays on 101 as well on Marsh Road near Menlo Park area, but not much of a backup as such. That's very good. But anyway, the COVID situation wise, if you look at it now, economy is opening up, so people are getting back to businesses, getting back to work. So obviously now weekend health, people are going to get together for all kinds of parties. Please stay very, very, very careful. 6 feet distance minimum maintain kijega. Wear a mask, please. Whichever business you go to. Most of the business I've been going to nowadays, like the coffee shop or the gas station, they still maintain 6 feet. Also making sure that everybody's wearing a mask. Good, continue doing that. And also not only strangers, within your friends and neighbors also try to maintain that particular I would say safety precaution of wearing a mask if possible. Because you don't know how things are going to be transferring right now, because more businesses are opening up, schools are going to open up also. A lot of scare out there. But just remember, you got to take a deep breath through your mask. And
Where are schools going to open up, Altaba? Please tell me.
I don't know, probably they will, and more scares going to happen afterwards. It's all happening there. It's all in the making, Falconi. I can imagine what's going to happen. But anyway, right now, Balajan, take a deep breath through your mask and exhale through your mask again. That's one of the new techniques of breathing, I should say. I think there'll be a new yoga coming up, Falconi. It'll be called mask yoga. It's a mindful mask meditation.
Okay.
That'll also come pretty soon. But anyway, right now, that was your traffic update and weather update for you guys. But let's see what's happening with the news headlines. Fatoni, what do we have as news headlines for today? Please don't give us any kind of heartache. Give us some nice headlines, please.
What
Why
are nice
why
headlines?
nice headlines?
Please,
You go read out the headlines. It might be
please,
nice, but not be
please
nice.
describe what nice headlines are.
Nice headlines is without kind of giving us all the kind of the leftist view of headlines.
What is leftist view, Ray?
Yeah, extreme left, liberal view of news.
Oh my God.
Please share something which is like, something good, like what Supreme Leader getting endorsed by the US Police Union, right? Isn't that a
Yes,
good
that's
thing?
actually a news item. Manajan, US Police Union endorses Trump in the November election.
Yes!
It's the largest union of employees, one of the largest unions.
Of course, and guess what? They also were able to successfully block the legislation which is going to come out here in California. Did you know that, Falconi? See, that's all a win for all the blue, a big brother. Yes!
Well, that's a different story altogether, Manajan. I don't have too many details on that story, but I do know that the police unions were able to successfully block even discussion of it's called Brad's bill, right? Which basically talks about the fact that police officers who have been, written up or who have been suspended or who have been fired for wrongdoing on the job should lose their certification, basically. That was the bill, but apparently the bill died because it did not garner enough votes or support, and some portions, there are different bills that were introduced, and those didn't even see the light of day on the floor.
Wow, Falconi, that's a good thing about you. When I ask you for headlines, you give the whole story to us.
Yeah,
Very nice. That's nice, Falconi.
Well, it's not a headline. I don't have the detailed story,
But still,
I
you gave the whole story to us, Falconi. It's like reporting on the spot, but that's what's called Falconi Balajan. She is a thoroughist.
Yes, that thoroughist. Okay,
Yeah,
fine.
I coined a new word for you.
Okay, let's go to the news headlines. Okay,
please, finally. Okay,
The suspect in the Portland shooting who was killed by the police during an arrest in Washington. We'll bring you that story shortly. Trump denies report that he spoke disparagingly of the US war dead. Defying critics, U.S. security chief pushes the Trump law and order message. Congress faces coronavirus government funding battles as their summer recess ends. U.S. will not cut corners in developing the coronavirus vaccine, according to Vice President Pence.
Nice. We believe him totally.
Vaccine developer Moderna could slow COVID-19 trials to add at-risk minorities. California lets more businesses open, but for some businesses, it's a little too late. Amazon plans to add about 10,000 jobs in Bellevue, Washington. Broadcom is signaling a delay in iPhone chip ramp-up, pointing to a later release date. Oh no!
It'll be probably November 1st, November 2nd, I guess.
No, it won't. Tesla CEO met a Volkswagen CEO during their Germany visit, according to a recent source. And also, India is firmly committed to preserving its territorial integrity, says Harsh Shringla, amid the border tensions with China. And I think Rajnath Singh is going to be meeting with the Chinese foreign minister as well. And in the Sushant Singh Rajput case update, Riya Chakraborty's brother Shovik Chakraborty is going to be arrested, says the Narcotics Bureau.
Wow, really? Why? What happened? He's the one peddling the whole thing?
Well, he's supposedly involved in a drug cartel, but we'll bring you those updates shortly. And Harbhajan Singh says that he has pulled out of the IPL due to personal reasons. More on all that will come shortly after this.
And right about the time, first take a quick look at our Gane Ka Keeda, which I have for you guys. Uske baad mein we go on the news in detail, Manajan. Yeah, that was not the news, it was just the headlines, Manajan. Yeah, I can imagine how detailed the news is going to be afterwards.
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर हैं। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर हैं। मिटे जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी, जले बहार के लिए वो जिंदगी, किसी को हो ना हो हमें तो एतबार, जीना इसी का नाम है। रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हम ही से नाम प्यार का। रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हम ही से नाम प्यार का। के मर के भी किसी को याद आएंगे, किसी के आंसुओं में मुस्कुराएंगे, कहेगा फूल हर कली से बार बार, जीना इसी का नाम है।
That's right, Balajan. Jeena isi ka naam hai, and that's exactly what we try to live by also, Balajan, because ye hamari Mahima ji ka both, I would say the message is always in her, whatever she talked, whatever she kind of shared with us, always this is the message she always have, Balajan. Kisi ke muskurahaton pe ho nisara. Try to make somebody smile if possible, and that's the whole thing, Balajan. And right now we're gonna make you smile for sure, because we're gonna get into our news in detail, right, Faltwani? Because when we share news in detail, Balajan, it'll sound like the headlines.
Hey.
No, it's not. The headlines sound like this.
Yeah, that's because he doesn't give me enough time, Madhujan, on the show for me to cover the news, and he'll say, "Tu kitna news share karegi?"
अच्छा fine
कितना
Faltwani.
share करेगी?
आज से अभी से लेके till close over you have full time Faltwani.
Yeah, whatever.
तू share it. तू share में बंदे
Chal,
जमा
ठीक है,
करी।
tell it. I'm going to share some news that you will really like.
Yes, please. If it's related to something to do with food, I definitely like it.
Actually, you may not like it because production on the Robert Pattinson film, do you know which one? Batman, has been halted due to coronavirus concerns.
I'm not a big fan of Batman. You should know the difference Marvel and DC, Falconi.
I don't know.
I'm not a big fan of DC production as of now. Though they have some good movies, like Joker was a good movie, Superman was okay kind of movie.
Huh.
But the crossovers, but Wonder Woman was great. If you're having news of Wonder Woman, I totally will say yes. Ooh.
I'm not talking about Wonder Woman at all. And I'm also going to tell you, this is also going to make you very sad, Alto Baba. Taco Bell is making more cuts to its menu.
You know, it's good.
This has been emotionally painful for a lot.
It's good because to me, it's not Taco Bell, it's Taco Hell. So
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of Taco Bell anyway. So,
Well,
so far, nothing has impacted me, Falconi.
He is the ally leader, Banjan, and all ally leader. When I say ally leader, you know, like if there is a movement of allies, he's at the pinnacle of it, and all the allies who are with him, almost every single one of them loves Taco Bell. So
Yeah.
that's why I was telling you, it'll be sad news for those kids.
No, it's not because we have better places to go other than Taco Bell.
Okay, good.
Yeah, but Falconi, so far your news didn't impact me any which way.
Oh,
So,
really?
let's
Okay,
see.
this is going to impact you.
Okay.
A key model predicts that the US will see 410,000 COVID-19 deaths by January, less than a
Oh, really?
year. Yes.
That's double.
After the coronavirus established itself on American soil. A lot can happen before then, but experts aren't confident that we'll have a vaccine ready by election day. President Trump has repeatedly put pressure on the FDA to furnish a vaccine by then, but doctors even say a highly effective vaccine, one that could blow through clinical trials, probably won't be available till December. And of course, around the world, Brazil has surpassed 4 million coronavirus cases, and New Zealand has recorded its first COVID-19 death in more than 3 months. Remember New Zealand, who declared themselves coronavirus free? Well, they have had a coronavirus death. They saw a resurgence in cases a few weeks ago, and then now the first death has occurred. And while we're speaking of the coronavirus vaccine, let's tell you that Moderna Inc., a vaccine developer, has been asking sites that are conducting clinical trials of its experimental coronavirus vaccine to focus on enrolling at-risk minorities, even if that slows down the trial speed. The company said on Friday. Shares in Moderna, one of the few companies in the final stages of developing a safe and effective COVID-19 vaccine, fell 6.8% in morning trading. The drug developer said it expected to be enrolling to the late-stage study that began in late July and aims to add about 30,000 healthy volunteers to be completed in September. As of last week, it had 17,000 participants, of which nearly 24% are communities of color. So, a growing body of evidence has shown that long-standing health and social inequities have resulted in increased risk of infection and death from COVID-19 among communities of color. So if you want to catch up on this detailed news story, Banajan, you can go to mediamahima.com. And one supposedly reassuring news is that US Vice President Mike Pence said today that the Trump administration will not cut corners in making a vaccine for coronavirus available, although it wants to move as fast as possible to deliver something that is safe and effective. Operation Warp Speed is the name of the administration's vaccine development effort in this particular case, and he says that they want to make it available to the American people as soon as possible to have, but they want to have a safe and effective vaccine in place. So let's go on over and talk to you a little bit about the protests, right? And what happened in Portland. Right, Alto Baba?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. So, police shot and killed an anti-fascist activist in Washington state on Thursday night as they moved in to arrest him on suspicion that he fatally shot a right-wing counter-protester last weekend in Portland, Oregon, officials said. Michael Reynolds, 48, was wanted on a charge of murder and was armed with a handgun when members of the U.S. Marshals Service, a fugitive task force, shot him dead in Olympia, Washington, after he left an apartment building and got in a car around 7:30 p.m., according to Marshals Service and the Thurston County Sheriff's Office. During an attempt to apprehend him, shots were fired at the suspect in the vehicle and he fled from the vehicle on foot. Additional shots were fired at the suspect and later he was pronounced deceased at the location, the sheriff's office statement said. Earlier on Friday, the Marshal Service said Rainhall had produced a firearm and threatened officers' lives. So apparently it sounded like fireworks. That many shots were fired. Now this Rainhall, who had provided security, this guy who had provided security for the Black Lives Matter protests in Portland, was allegedly, it's not proven, involved in the shooting of Aaron Danielson. On Saturday night, the Marshal Service said Danielson, 39, was among a caravan of supporters of Republican President Donald Trump who rode in pickup trucks into downtown Portland and clashed with protesters demonstrating for racial injustice and police brutality. So this Danielson was killed, apparently, allegedly, by Rainhall. And Rainhall, who was supposedly a security guard for the Black Lives Matter movement, was shot down by the police yesterday. So that's what's happening in that particular case. There have been escalating clashes in Portland, left, right, and center, Bandajan. But this is clearly, I don't know where this is going, but
It's going to the elections. After election, everything will die down,
Well, speaking of the election, let's tell you that America's largest police union on Friday endorsed President Donald Trump's effort to win re-election, a potential boost to the leader's message that he is the candidate of law and order. The Fraternal Order of Police, which has more than 355,000 members around the country, is proud to endorse a candidate who calls for law and order across our nation.
So sweet.
Union President Patrick Yeo said in a statement. I don't know, I feel anybody who endorses him is a reflection of their own character.
What, really?
Yeah.
Come on, don't do all those things.
Please!
There's a lot of Indians out here who actually endorse him.
Oh, yeah, of course. That's why it's a reflection of their character too.
What?
Yeah.
And they are supposedly leaders of Hindu communities out here.
There's a reflection of their character too.
Oh my God, Father, in this case, I have to agree with you. I don't know why. Okay, anyway, continue further.
US President Donald Trump on Thursday strongly denied a magazine report saying he had called fallen US military personnel buried in Europe losers.
What?
Yeah.
Seriously?
And declined to visit an American cemetery during a trip to France because he thought it was unimportant. He didn't go, remember, because it was raining or something like that during his trip to France.
Yeah, he didn't have his toupee ready by that time. It was not waterproof.
Okay, whatever. The Atlantic magazine reported that Trump, a Republican running for re-election, who has touted his record helping U.S. veterans, had referred to Marines buried in an American cemetery near Paris as losers and declined to visit in 2018 because of the concern the rain that day would mess up his hair.
Oh, I was right.
Yeah, Trump on Thursday told reporters that the story was false. To think I would make statements negative to our military and fallen heroes when
It was not
nobody...
military. I think, again, you're reading it wrong.
Has-
Negative to my hair. He wouldn't say that.
No,
Seriously.
I would make statements negative to our military and fallen heroes when nobody has done what I have done.
Better than what I do.
For the U.S. Armed Forces, Trump said, it's a total lie. It's a disgrace. That's what he said. He did not go to the cemetery because apparently weather prevented a helicopter flight. The alternative, which was a long drive, would have meant going through very busy areas of Paris, and the Secret Service objected, he said. The Secret Service said, you can't do it. I said, I have to do it. I want to be there. They said, you can't do it.
Seriously?
That's the way he said it. That's the conversation.
No, I was thinking, was that a quote actually?
Yes, it's a quote.
Hey, but one thing you gotta give it to him, man. He keeps it real, man.
Dude,
He keeps it real. No, I think people like him because they keep it real. It's like watching a reality show go unveiling in the White House.
what is really
What does Macron have to say about this?
I would say what is really scary. Macron is, let's not even go there right now because I think a lot of them are dead set against Trump.
What?
Yeah.
Liberals.
But let's be quiet, also. Stop. It's like these bunch of cronies that he has. In fact, this particular crony at the heart of President Donald Trump's law and order election campaign is Chad Wolf, who is supposedly the acting Secretary of Homeland Security. And he has defied critics by championing Trump's message in stark terms, sending U.S. federal forces into cities and expanding the boundaries of his cabinet post. Little known outside Washington until now, this guy Wolf has become one of Trump's most visible aides, one of his most visible aides. Echoing the Republican president, he paints a dark picture of Portland, Oregon, a city controlled by rival Democrats as overrun by looters during summer protests against racism and police brutality. You guys can catch up on this story and what this guy is doing by going to MediaMahima.com. Also, the US Congress today faces a tight deadline to avoid a government shutdown as lawmakers begin returning to Washington next week, complicated by bitter conflicts between Republicans and Democrats over the package of the coronavirus aid. Republicans-led Senate is back on Tuesday, while Democratic-led House of Reps to hold votes on bills starting the following week. Also, Banajan, in news from India, amid the India-China border tension, Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Shringla on Friday asserted that India remains firmly committed to preserving its territorial integrity and sovereignty and will not yield on that ground. He also said that it was important that even during these difficult moments of this crisis, India has been communicating and engaging with China. The Rajnath Singh, as I mentioned before, is going in for a meeting with China as well. In some news with regard to the Sushant Singh Rajput case, with several chats referring to drug exchanges being leaked, the Narcotics Control Bureau started probing the new angle in the SSR case. They recently conducted extensive searches at Riya Chakraborty and Sushant's house manager Samuel Miranda's residences in Mumbai. And the latest news is that they will arrest Shovik Chakraborty, Samuel Miranda, both of them, in the narcotics case linked to the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput. No arrests have been made yet, but they're talking to them and they're saying that they are going to be arresting them. So you will find more about that right here on Good Morning Bay. And in the IPL news, after Suresh Raina pulled out of the IPL due to personal reasons, Chennai Super Kings have suffered yet another blow as veteran off-spinner Harbhajan Singh has confirmed his withdrawal from the upcoming IPL season, citing personal reasons. You can get more about that too on MediaMahima.com.
Well, that brings us to the close, Balajan. Right now, we're going to be signing off from our Good Morning Bay, telling you have a fantastic Friday. Right, Faltani?
Yes, Banajan, we will be back tonight live at 5 on the Pam Pam Show. And until then, enjoy, listen to Radio D Hotties and dance away to some good music. Have a fantastic Friday.
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
रिश्ते स्वर्ग में बनते हैं, लेकिन धरती पर हम उन्हें मिलाते हैं. MarriageLagan.com.
Marriage Lagan is a leading matchmaking services provider. We offer trusted and authentic matrimonial profile for those who are looking for brides and grooms for marriage. Register at info@marriagelagan.com. We cater for USA, Canada, UK, India and Fiji. For more information, call 510-943-8037.
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है.
Banajan, this is your darling Faltu Rani, and let me tell you, Banajan, that all these beautiful